In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the time zone in Gmail. So first, I'm opening Gmail in my browser and making sure I'm signed in. Once I'm in, I'm heading up to the waffle icon in the top right corner, that little grid of squares that opens all the Google apps. I'm clicking on that, and now I'm scrolling down a bit until I see Calendar. Then I'll click on it to open my Google Calendar. Once Calendar is open, I'm looking up toward the top right again for the gear icon, which is for settings, and I'm clicking on that. This opens up the settings menu, and from here I want to make sure I'm in the general tab so we can access the basic settings. I scroll down a little until I see time zone. This is where we can set our primary time zone for all events and reminders, so everything lines up correctly with your local time. Here I click on the field to select a new time zone. I can scroll through the list or start typing the name of my city or time zone to find it faster. Once I see the right one, I click it, and now it's selected as the primary time zone. If you have multiple calendars or additional time zones you want to show, you can add those too, but for most people just setting the primary one is enough. Once that's done, I make sure everything is saved, and now my calendar, and by extension Gmail notifications for events, will all reflect the correct time zone. This is especially helpful if you travel a lot or work with people in different parts of the world, because your reminders and scheduled emails will show the right time without any confusion. And that's it. Now your Gmail and calendar are synced to the correct time zone, and any new events or scheduled emails will automatically follow this setting. It's quick, easy, and makes managing your day a lot smoother.